I'd like to welcome all my new followers on my page. Thank you for following. By the way, my name is Melissa. I'm a wife. I'm a full-time working mom and a proud digital business owner. My son, who is my biggest why I entered this digital business. By the way, for those mommies who are looking for extra income or a side hustle while you're staying at home, in the right place. Our business, you don't need to do selling. You need to beg your family or friends. You don't need to have a business experience, and you don't need to be a tech savvy. And also there is a coach and mentor that will guide you from the beginning until you succeed. It's for a lifetime, the mentorship. This business is global, and I like this business because of its flexibility. You can do it anytime, anywhere, and with this flexibility, I can be with my son, spend more time with my family. We can also travel. That's are the reasons why I joined this business, because of the flexibility that the business offered. So, for all mommies, just like me, if you're interested, you can sign up to my website. It's in my bio, and also I will put it down below. So again, guys, especially to those mommies, with this business, you don't need to choose if between your family or your career, because this business will not require most of your time. So again, if you're interested, you can sign up to my website. Have a great evening, guys. Bye bye.